Hi guys, this is Michael from MichaelMasonMarketing.com, and before I show you how you can make money playing trivia on your phone, I invite you to click on the link in the description below or on the top right of the screen to get instant access to the exact method I use to earn up to a couple $100 per day. The app we will be reviewing today is HQ Trivia. It is a daily live trivia game show where the participants answer 12 questions that get progressively harder. At the end, the prize is split among the remaining contestants who answered all the questions correctly. This prize is usually around $2,000 and occasionally even more. I will warn you, however, the host can be animated. If you can deal with the corny jokes, you can make money playing trivia on your mobile device every day. Let's take a quick look at the app in action.
Prize is 2,500 DACAs, 2,500 dreamers, $2,500. Pretty baby, let's get this show on the road. Numero uno. Which of these is a U.S. postage stamp? Terrence stamp, forever stamp, or rubber stamp? A United States postage stamp. You can use this to send mail. Have you heard of mail? It's a relic of the last century. You buy it now, you buy the stamp now, and it's good forever when sending first-class mail. That's why it's called the forever stamp. Yes, forever. And look at that. On the first question tonight, we just lost over 300,000. The forever stamp. 876,195 of you knew it. In case you were curious, Terrence Stamp is an accomplished British actor who played General Zod in the 1980s Superman series. You can't send him through the mail, but we have 876,000 going priority to Q2. The rest of you canceled after Q1. Q2, most humans have how many kidneys? 2, 0, or 10? We are going all in on kidneys here at HQ lately. You gotta know your organs. I mean, this will be on the MCAT. Most of us are born with 2 kidneys, if we're lucky. And if we're lucky, you die with 2 kidneys. 2 kidneys is your answer. 864,283, you got it. Maybe that should have been the first question. Sheesh. Stamps. You don't know your stamps, but you know your kidneys. I guess kidneys are more important. Baseball players coming out of Andy. This is it, folks. The final question, Q12. It all boils down to this. 2,995 players. $2,500. Who's going to make that money move on this topical Q12? What did the first ever State of the Union hero in the balcony do to earn his invitation? Build a hospital, serve as a POW, or rescue a drowning woman? Since, what did Lenny Skutnik do to earn such an honor? He dove into the icy cold waters of the Potomac River to rescue a female victim of Air Florida Flight 90's plane crash, saving her life? Rescuing a drowning woman, we got 1,278 winners, baby! All rise for the 1,278 HQTs feeling great. You are kings of the HQ Castle tonight. Splitting 2,500 bucks, that means you're getting just under $2. Hey, it's something. Don't spend it all.
As you can see, you can make money by playing trivia on your phone every day. However, it will not make you rich. If you enjoyed this short video, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more cool content. And before you go, don't forget to click on the link in the top right of the screen or in the description below to get instant access to the method I use to earn up to a couple $100 a day. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next